If you are creative looking for freelance gigs, Behance Jobs is the place to be. Simple create a portfolio showcasing your work. They explore a wide range of job listings from companies seeking top talent. It's a great way to land new projects, build connections, and take your freelance career to the next level. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Behance Jobs, popular for creatives to find freelance opportunities. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Behance.net. This is the homepage as you can see. And let's know what is Behance Jobs firstly. It's a feature on the Behance platform that allows creatives, such as designers, illustrators, and photographers, to find freelance and full-time job opportunities by showcasing their portfolios. Users can attract potential employers or apply directly to job listings posted by companies looking for creative talent. It's a popular platform for finding new projects and expanding a freelancer career as well. All I have to do right now is just click over sign up in the top right. Then you'll find this page as you can see. You have just to add your email address and your password, then you get started with this platform. Then you'll find a page which is its one area of welcome to Behance to help you get started to choose if you had like to join Behance and as a creative or hire. So I will just select here I am a creative or freelancer or I'm a hire. I will select the first one. Here we have used Behance to showcase. And then you'll find other page which is one you have just to pick one or more topics. This will help us recommend creative work you will love. So for example, you have graphic design, photography, illustration, we have also motion, architectures, you have product design, fashion. I will select for example product design and I will click over set my costume. And here we have the homepage how it looks. Alright. So Behance, to use it, you have just to create a profile and upload your best work to build a standout portfolio. Browse job listings posted by companies looking for freelancers or let employers discover you by showcasing your skills. You can directly apply to freelance opportunities, making it an ideal platform to find new projects and grow your creative career as well. So right now we have here several things in this platform. Let's just discover and together. All right, the first thing that we have here, which is here the size, as you can see we have the related to photography and we have here videos, and we have also here for example if we want to here perform search, and we have several things in this platform as you can see. And let's just come back right now to the Behance to know more about these options that we have in the homepage. We have firstly assets, we have jobs, Behance, we have hire freelancers. If you choose your my freelance project, find creatives, hiring on Behance, new freelance project. Then we have your logo designers, brand designers, website designers, illustrators, social media designers as well. And we have on the top here, share your work, such as project, service, work in progress, also live stream. Right, also we have various things such as if we click over Behance Pro, you'll find a page which is this one, and we have supercharge your creative car with Behance Pro. Then we have also here if you want to search for jobs, and here we have it right now. You can just select here the popular one or you select the category that you would want. For example, if it's local design, brand and services, social media design, website design, illustrations, packaging design, landing page design, and architecture and interior design as well. Also we have here find time jobs as you can see, and we have here several things such as we have website, branding designer, and various things as you can see. Also we have your assets. About this one, you'll find it to browse assets. You can just select the one you want or the one you think it's better. About the Explorer, you'll find here, for example, about Explorer, such as search. We have here search and explore, created galleries, best of Behance, graphic design, illustration, photography. We have a 3D art, and then that's it for this one. And let's just here, for example, you share your work. If you want to share your project, build a complete case study service. We have showcase your freelance offerings, work in progress. We have posts that expire in 24 hours. Live stream will find here podcast live for from your desktop. You have your phone search for something and you have start searching right now. So you have you select firstly the filters that you want, you visit assets, images of people, and also we have your creative files. If it's architecture, art direction, then we have availability. About this one you'll find here other things, location, and also the tools. And that's it for this one right now. What it tools also, and then we have the color, is select the color that you want, and you will find your template, of course. If you want to search for by image, you have to choose the image that you want from your computer, and that's it right now. You can just also here sort of recommended or created. Then also we have here most appreciated this week. Also we have here today. Then we have this month or all time for most appreciated. We have most viewed, most discussed, and then we have most recent as well. Right, so let's just come back right now. So to use Behance Jobs, you have just to create a profile and upload your base work to build a standard portfolio, browse through job listings posted by companies looking for freelancers, or let employers discover you by showcasing your skills. So Behance Job is a great platform for creatives to find freelance opportunities by showcasing their portfolios and connecting with potential clients. It's an effective way to discover the new projects and grow your career in the creative industry as well. Also in the right you'll find a welcome to Behance. Get the most out of Behance with these quick steps below. Just to follow our creative files, perform a search, start a mood board, and you have just to choose the mood board here name, and then I will click over create, then you share your own as well. Here we have it right now. If you want to edit the mood board and also see more, I think. Alright, so if you want to add yours, you click over here, and we have the last step, which is share your own work. So we can here share this one using these platforms. We have here image, if you want to here add text, photo grade, video and audio, embed, and Lightroom. We have also photo type 3D, and we have here continue and also save a draft as draft. And we have also here select the one you want and you get started with this platform, and then that's it for this platform, which is Behance.net. So for example, let's just select in this one, and then I will just here scroll down and see it, how it works, how it looks. We have into right here save, share, tools, follow, and we have appreciate, and we have it if we want a photo type, illustrators, product design, industrial design, independent as well. For also do portfolio design, smart ring, wearable, product design, and render and visualization as well. So this is how it works with this platform. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.